Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. With the recent surge in the cryptocurrency market, many investors are eyeing coins that could potentially offer significant returns. Today, we're diving into 3 top coins priced under $1 that could be poised for good returns. According to a recent article from Analytics Insight, the cryptocurrency market is bouncing back from last year's downturn, with Bitcoin surpassing the $51,000 mark in 2024. This uptrend was fueled by the approval of the Bitcoin ETF by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, attracting institutional investments and driving up the prices of leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Our first coin under the spotlight is Ripple. Currently trading at $53, Ripple has been embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC. However, rumors suggest that a settlement could be on the horizon, potentially leading to a surge in XRP's price. Experts advise caution, recommending investors to consider pulling out profits once stability is restored. Next up, we have Cardano. With a current price of $58, Cardano has been making waves in the cryptocurrency market, experiencing a remarkable 25% surge in the last 30 days. As a contender for the top spot this month, Cardano's price could see further gains, especially if Bitcoin experiences a significant uptick. Last but not least, we have VeChain. Standing out as one of the top-performing altcoins, VeChain has seen a remarkable 68% increase in the last month alone. This surge can be attributed to VeChain's strategic partnerships with global firms, particularly in the supply chain sector. With potential upside swings in the near future, VeChain is certainly one to watch. And there you have it, folks. While these coins present exciting opportunities, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Make sure to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Stay tuned for more updates on the crypto market, and until next time, happy investing.